We are going to do a walkthrough of an L&L GA-84 radio frequency press. This L&L GA-84 radio frequency press is a rare find. What makes it rare is the 41-inch by 100-inch clamping capacity or 40-inch by 88-inch curing plate capacity, combined with a 30 kilowatt RF generator that will allow you to cure 3,000 square inches of glue line per minute. Just to put that in perspective, most RF gluers are 10 or 15 kilowatts, which means you are curing 1,000 to 1,500 square inches of glue line per minute. Top pressure is provided via 2 top clamping hydraulic cylinders. Side pressure is produced via 17 hydraulic clamping cylinders. The hydraulic unit running this machine is powered by a 5 horsepower motor. The controls are double palm operated for safety. You will find amp meters for grid and plate current along with a cycle timer, while next to the controls is your power control.